Hello everybody, and I will be playing Will You Press the Button? This is my first gaming video ever, so tell me if I did anything wrong. Okay, now. You are given the chance to change something from the past, but changing it will cause a natural disaster. Well, if I die, I go to heaven. I'll press the button. Good. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. So, you've been diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. Non-surgical, but you can survive more than a few years with chemotherapy. But you live in America, and by the first treatment, you're completely broke. You understand? 2 years. What the heck? But this one is bad. There we go. Oh God, what the? Oh, go away. There we go. Okay, I will. Okay, you will live good and a peaceful life. But the person you love the most won't be. Actually, I would press the button. But it's bad. No, not. Keep getting mixed up with good and bad. Oh, that's stupid. Okay, bad. Okay, so you have a great self-image, but everything means you're egotistical. I don't know what egotistical is, so I will not. Okay, so yeah, I'll just rate it good. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Okay, you will have the opportunity to fix all the world's problems, diseases, famine, war. You can never masturbate. I'll press the button. I don't know what that means, I guess. Okay, so bad, I guess. So just a couple more questions. Okay, so you'll be able to do anything at any time, no matter the circumstances or logical options. But the person you love will also have these, despite you constantly with whatever you with them whenever possible. I would not want my love to kill me. But I would not want, if I had a girlfriend, I wouldn't want her to kill me. So bad. Bad. Will you press the button website? Okay. Women, LGBT, all gain independence, freedom, expected, but Mitt Romney, I will not. It sounds bad.
New pics and new puppy. The Beebs taking to Instagram, introducing the world to little Phil, his brand new adorable black Labrador retriever. Now Justin's other pup, Esther, has a little brother.
Okay, so bad.
Celebrity Girls Night Out in New York. Dakota Johnson, Leslie Mann, and Rebel Wilson take Manhattan, promoting their new comedy. How to
You
Get
will
Single
bring any
for
fiction.
the big premiere.
Shield
These ladies having
for mature
almost
past.
carpet as they do in the movie. Allison Brie, Rebel Wilson, Leslie Mann, and Dakota Johnson.
And I'm okay with that. At least I get. At least that would be cool.
Johnson and Melanie Griffith.
Good.
This pic to Instagram, writing, Don is a very proud daddy, and I'm a very proud mama.
Is this one of those kind of things where you're
What else? You need to have sex. Choice, but and it can
Up for his new Netflix show Love, starring Allison Brie's former Community co-star Gillian Jacobs. I'm on 10 different dating websites to increase my odds. Brie appropriately walking the carpet solo without her fiance Dave Franco.
No.
With this little black dress.
No, no, I will not. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break. I need to take a little break. Okay, sorry about that little break. It's only because I needed a little break for a Coke. Yeah, Dr. Pepper. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. Oh.
And that seems like American Crime was perfectly made for you then. So we absolutely love hanging out here at the Soda Shop with stars. Trevor Jackson from American Crime, one of the hottest shows on ABC. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, you'll be coming in every magazine stuff to watch. What the button was.
star-studded cast are breaking diverse boundaries. They're having to feature charming.
I'm proud of how our community has become.
I guess.
Teaming up with the producer of the Shrek franchise.
Playing Prince Charming, the first Latin Prince Charming. Kind of amazing.
I will, but I'm gonna say it's bad.
So, mira que super cute.
Charming is about what happens when Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Snow White discover they're engaged to the same Prince Charming.
I'm excited. It's gonna be a really fantastic year and a lot more surprises.
Okay, so just one more question. Press the button thing. So, you get a girlfriend who truly loves you, but you lose all your progress on a game.
Of course, it wouldn't be a lot of friends if I liked the culture in it.
Girls are better than people are better than electricity. But no, I want to finish every game I play.
For somebody to actually look at themselves and say, you know what, this needs to happen. And it did. And it made it for a even more hilarious tone for the movie.
Well, it looks like Prince Charming is getting a whole lot of love.
Okay, so bye guys. See you in a couple, I guess, weeks, months, maybe just days. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.